Where is it?
Checking ako.
Where? Is there?
Asan? Asan?
Checking
May red
ako,
ba?
checking ako.
Where's the PV? Where's the player? Suzu?
Over here on the woods.
Okay, okay.
Guys,
Yeah, just in front of you guys.
make some distance on your front.
E6. Ito.
Yeah, I will- I will follow if
Madami
he's
sila.
still mounted. Okay? Try to cut off.
Nagmamount na sila, nagmamount.
Yeah,
Mamount na sila,
yeah.
nagmamount.
It's okay, it's okay. You play in peace. My gosh, game. Keep following Chupapi. They have T5
Keep-
armored
keeping-
horse, T3 horse.
Gucci yung ano. Ito yung Gucci.
Ito yung Gucci, ito yung Gucci.
Keeping it.
Yung kanina,
Keep-
yung kanina.
Dismount, guys. Dismount on the choke and the other choke.
The
Northeast choke.
he dismounted, he dismounted.
Ping,
He's
ping,
playing
ping,
for
ping.
the ano. They have calming, they have the people with calming equip calming. He's playing for the
I have.
aspect.
I have.
He's waiting in the aspect.
Let's go. Hit that shit. Kill the shit. I have calming. I have calming.
Yeah,
We're
yo.
coming. I'm coming to you guys.
Hit him.
3, 2, 1.
Calming,
Putang na,
calming.
nawala.
Yeah, he's using the assassin jacket. Another calming, we have another calming. You go, follow. They aggro the mobs. Just keep away from the mobs. Keep walking. Hit him back. Hit him.
Tumama. Pangalawa na yun.
We have another calming, right? Sensei.
Dodge.
Hindi, mamaya.
Yeah. I know. Just ready up. Don't hit the
Learn to dodge, guys.
aspect. Yeah. Just keep walking. He's invisible. They aggro the mobs if you can.
Likod, sa likod.
He's up south north. He's mounting up. Ooh, Suj. Pong. Mount up then choke the exit.
Need vision.
Yeah.
Go here.
Yeah, go to the ping.
Dito na sa akin. Dito na sa akin.
Ping.
Wala na.
Ping. Just sa exit.
Wala nang tumakbo sa baba.
Naka-armored horse. When someone is invisible like that, try to spread. Don't go into one direction only. But I think it's my bad also. I should have
Hey, here.
went north.
Here.
Wala na.
Yeah, there's people dying there. Let's go there instead.
Let's go.
Yeah.
It's only a
Ju-
warm up,
just, yeah, we removed the clutches. It was a good play in a way, but he just outsmarted using the aspect.
The whole party gets.
Yeah,
We
he
blocked
used,
the
bad.
other.
he used assassin jacket then went to the other side of where we going. Let's just go there and check.
Magano kayo dyan? Mag-one naman pa away kayo dyan. Baka may ano ko dito eh.
Yeah.
Huwag masyado magdikit-dikit.
Chupapi, diretso ka na. I will check. Already okay. I will go inside. Someone stay here at this choke. Suzu
stay on the
stay
roof.
there. Yeah.
Yep.
Nice. I will check if someone's inside doing something. Do you have any vision, Chupapi?
Sana yun.
No one
Wala,
here.
wala.
I
Someone
can't
go
see
here,
anything.
someone
I can't see anything. I can't see no one.
Wala.
No one.
Wala.
Is there any?
Doon to. Nino yun.
Okay.
What's
Sis,
the ping? What's the red ping? Player.
Let's ready.
Hello. Narinig niyo ako?
Hello.
Yes.
Oh.
T6.
Anong
T6 lang.
T6 using armor doors. So there's a
Mag-isa
party here in gold chest.
Okay.
There's a party here.
Okay, wait for the healer. We will
They're clearing.
try to.
This is a Gundam. We can fight them. We can
Yeah.
fight them.
Okay. Let's go.
They
Prepare
have
for
rope-bound. They have rope-bound.
prepare
They're
Carmine.
going out.
Tensei
They're
and
going out. They're going out.
Tensei and
They're going out.
okay, they're going out.
They're
Prepare
going out.
PvP. Poison food. Poison potion if you can. I don't know
Mount
if we
one,
can,
guys.
Hindi na natin maabutan yan.
I don't know if we can follow
We can.
them.
Bumabalik
Go, go,
sila,
go.
bumabalik. Bumabalik.
Dismount.
They're going east here.
Bumalik.
Yeah, mount
Yeah.
mount up. The people. Chupapi is dismounted here. Okay, dismount one, Chupapi. You can do it. Going west, they're going west. Can you cut
Someone
off?
go there.
Can you
Someone
cut
go
off
there.
someone?
Someone go there.
Wait. Someone going west here.
Yan ang kalat.
Here na lang.
Okay,
Here na
okay,
lang. One target na lang if you can.
Doin. Nagago, di kami aabot.
Here, we can
Hindi ko mo-
outrun this. This is tag only. Outrun this.
Okay. Kipingin.
It's going north. Outrun this. You can outrun this. I think. This is tag only. Go to the
Yeah,
to the
nabura.
portal. And this is not safe zone, I think.
Malapit.
It's not safe zone.
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah.
Kunin yung charges.
Yeah.
Get charges.
I will
Oo.
just the ones left behind stay. The ones here follow him to the next portal.
Pwede kayo mag-dismount dito. Pwede kayo mag-dismount dyan.
Yeah.
Dito sa ano? Dalawa. Dismount dito. Dismount.
Yeah, people that
Smoke
can cut off priority cut off.
Red.
May mga may iwan dyan.
Ina rin ka?
Miniwan.
May kulang yung charge niyan.
Tangina.
Oh shit, putik na click
Bro,
yung
may
zoom.
charges pa. Dalawa pa.
Is it more?
Dito sa akin ha. Susundan ko to. Life curse.
Ping.
Sige, sundan mo.
Is inside.
Balik kayo sa roads.
Okay.
Come, Tinsay, come.
Chupapi, anong suot? I mean mount.
Life curse.
Mount.
Armor doors.
Okay.
Okay na to. 400k.
Kung kaya mo unahan, since nasa likod naman ako, try mo pero mamaya pa.
Okay.
Pag medyo, na ako, malapit na ako.
Copy. I need ping.
Sige lang.
Here.
Live ping to ah.
Oh my gosh, stop. Oh. I don't think we can cut that off. That's too far. Oh my gosh.
Zoom.
Ikaw, Chupapi, kung kaya mo mag-dismount sa harap niya. If you can.
Hindi
Pero kasi
kaya eh.
armored horse, hindi kakayanin yan.
Wala na.
Di ba siya natatag? Damn.
Hindi.
Wala kasi natatag na mobs dito sa sa row eh.
Kailangan mo unahan.
Wala.
Para matag.
Wala. Sayang yung sa gold chest, hindi tayo kasi nakapesto pa. Wala na.
Wala.
Bitaw na. Let go. Ano ba English? Let go.
Daw. Hindi ko din expect na may tao sa loob eh. May hinabol lang ako.
May
Tapos
single.
May party. Why?
Yeah.
Tapos banel. Hindi nila tinapos.
Di man yata natin kaya
It's a Gundam.
i-clear
It's a Gundam.
It's a Gundam. Yeah, construct no.
Yeah.
I think we can go next zone. Either let's go where we closest. Let's just go here. Let's go back. Let's go south na lang, south. So when we go back, let's just check the gold chest again later. Yeah. Let's go south exit. Then after some
Tignan
time
nila dito.
we go back to the gold chest.
Gago, wala na yung Gundam.
Napatay
Wala na yung Gundam.
Okay. They cleared the boss. Okay.
Can we clear this?
Oh,
Kunti na lang.
wala na yung Gundam.
Ay!
Kunti na lang.
Try.
Oh, try. Let's go.
Let's
Let's go back to the gold chest. If there's no boss, I think we can slowly clear it.
Ay kaso, dahon yung dala ni ni
Ay!
Pikachu.
Okay, never mind. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go
Wait.
here.
Ilan na lang ba yung kailangan? Ay,
Eto.
hindi kaya. Wag,
Mga
wag, wag.
mga glowing pa rin yan eh. still glowing mobs so we can...
Gago, dismounted.
Dismounted.
Di kaya, di kaya.
Di kaya. Di kaya. Medyo
Kailangan pa rin yata
Ano pa?
proper pa rin yan eh. We still need proper gears.
baka pa. Ay, gagaw. Mga ano pa?
Kaya yan,
All-
T8 PvP.
Oh, who's the one left inside?
Wala. Anong dismount ako?
Ah, okay.
Ay, si...
Wait, let's wait for
pala.
Sesuj. My gosh.
Seconds.
Yeah. Let's just wait in the vicinity.
Ang
Might
tagal
die.
pa nito, Eclair.
What's the status inside the CO? What does it look like? Any blue chest?
Bresi, T8 map? What the fuck? Wait. May tao dyan. May tao lagi yan. May tao lagi yan. Hindi yan nawawalan ng tao.
Wait, let's wait for everyone. Since we're not ganking set, we can't really dismount individually.
2 gold and then
We need to
6 green.
position ourselves better before we start doing stuff.
I forgot to bring poison. Ay,
Hayya.
Unahan
Kung
natin
na-poison
yung
mo yung isa doon, actually, kaya ni Chupapi.
sa ano yun, sa
i-ano.
mobs. Sa mobs yan na poison.
Ah, hindi.
Yung ano, yung druid na poison.
Come.
Okay.
Di ba masakit yun?
Druid na poison?
Yung ano, yung green na
people
poison.
go here, then go here.
You can dive sa in gold chest.
Yeah.
Dive na lang yan. Dive.
Wait, position at least from 2 directions. Opposite
Dito sa
direction. People position here from the other side.
Papa, dito ka.
Suzu, dismount near here. Go near. You should go about here. Dismount.
Okay.
Don't let your mount. Wait. I will. Oh, there's pockets, but I think they cleared this before. Yeah, I think the previous group cleared this. Okay, it's cleared. Mount up, then
Try here.
then change target.
Baka na-clear na rin nila yan.
Yeah.
Galing sila dito.
They probably cleared this first.
Baka ibang party.
Probably. Possible.
T7 ba yun? T6 lang. Kaya nila mag-clear T6. Damn.
Oh, kaya yan. Basta proper na.
Proper full spec,
Proper.
no?
Kahit hindi full spec. Kahit nga di full spec eh.
Kahit hindi
Oh,
full
who's
spec,
the one
as long as-
down there, downstairs? Why you away?
Ako.
Papa.
Oo, wag ka muna mag-check kasi hindi natin mahuhuli if ever na i-check mo pa rin.
Oo.
Ano bang, kaya mo
Okay.
mag-dismount ng sword? Hindi din eh. I will check here
Hindi rin.
since the exit upstairs, up at the top is not much hard. There are bodies but there's no one inside.
May na-dive.
Kawan.
Yeah, no one.
Kaya...
Check
Hayya.
the
Skip the green, then we zone again. Then going back, let's just check this gold chest again later. Going back.
Try
They might
to
have-
check right now. Who's that red?
Yeah, the wala, hindi na natin kayang ma-dismount. I mean yung pala no, yung zone. Yeah. Check what's inside the Casitos A. What chests
One
are
blue,
inside?
2 green.
Okay, one blue. We check the blue.
Lang si Papa, malayo.
Oo nga eh.
Wait. Diretso na pala kayo? Kala ko
Yeah,
i-check
let's go.
pa to.
Let's go. Kala ko nga din yung sinasabi yung check pero check pala yung zoom.
Three exit.
Here, don't fight yet anything because we're kulang. What's
Okay.
English of kulang? We're not
We're not complete.
we're not regrouped yet.
That choice of words na ni player
We're-
dahil ang
We're
dramatic.
broken. Damn. We still broken.
We're not complete
Ito
yet.
yung green.
Cleared yung green.
Defender yung green.
Eh, green
Declare
eh.
yan
How?
mamaya.
Buong party tayo purge. 7-man purge.
Ayun, hindi mo i-clear yan.
Okay lang. Kesa
No,
sa wala
we-
tayong
we check.
nakiklear.
Uy, uy, ano? Anyone up here? At this location?
Alam ko, wala ko,
Uy, uy,
may
uy, uy.
kalaban.
Eh, what the fudge? No one? No one at least here?
Mag-wall kami. Mamaya.
Okay, okay. Everything this where... Player, doon ka na, player. Doon ka na. Ay, never mind. Nandiyan ka na.
Tapos na ako.
I will start checking, okay? You move to the exits, I will start checking.
Huwag din check yan, ang layo kahit yung ano lang, southwest tsaka southeast lang.
Yeah, southwest only,
Kasi-
southwest, southeast. No one inside,
Southeast.
spearman, trash chest. Let's go out.
Balik ba tayo? O keep digging.
Keep digging. Do you want to clear the defender? Green chest?
Clear muna natin
Oh,
to.
sige. Ano tayo? Damage check. Go to the green chest here.
We need refresher. We need to refresh
Defender
our...
Dito unahin natin dito.
Oh,
dito,
there's guardian. Same, no? Same.
Defender.
Defender din pala. Let's go here.
Parang
Parehas na-
outpost lang eh.
Closer here.
Oo, push.
Pushing.
Parang outpost lang bro. Malayo yung inuuna bro.
Papi.
Oh, it's only T4 map, what the hell?
Ay, be?
Is this
Yeah.
T4 only? Yung nga no?
Yep.
Oh, wag na.
T4.
Never
Yeah.
mind. Do you want to clear? No. Waste of time.
Ano close nyo? What the
Look.
fuck?
Look. Kung blue chest,
Ganun ba-
goods. Pero,
Ganun ba kayo kahirap? Wala na ba kayong silver? Para mag-clear
Oo.
ng tipo?
go,
Wala na ako silver.
everybody will go back to the roads. Then, they want to check if someone's clearing this. The hide, 4.2. Treasure. Damn. Just dismount from the exit. Gang up on him.
Tagirap na bala to, what the hell?
Dismount here. Here at this entrance. Everyone.
Ha? Bakit?
I'm gonna check the node. Dismount here, everyone. You dismount there. Ready. I will just check. Just for a bit. Okay, no one. Ready. I said dismount, not run in.
Bro.
G na G. Zone
Baka
there.
meron
Zone,
eh.
zone inside there. Para ano, no? Mabilisan.
Kung meron, edi slow sila agad bird.
Sheesh. What's inside?
6 map,
It's green.
puro green.
The fudge?
With of my heart.
Wait. Sansran Delta. That is Paul.
Uy,
Wala na. Balik tayo. Go back. Let's spot back. And check every gold chest again. Then if there's nothing, I guess we reset. We're gonna...
Tingyan.
We did our best. But I guess the best are good enough.
parang naghahanap lang ng road sa ba? Ay, ng ano? Route.
No, fight no.
Maganda tamanggang sa limers eh.
Limers,
Limers
mas
tayo.
ano talaga. Mas mataas yung chance na may tao yata. No, we dig. We keep digging. Yung T8 kanina talaga, Aba Fist T8 oh. Damn. Nalolow na natin, hindi niya tayo na-outplay, may calming tayo.
8 ba yun?
Oo, T8 Aba Fist yun. Yung nandun sa ano, sa aspect.
A8.
Wala, warm up pa lang yun eh, what the hell?
Wala nag-check ng baba.
Pero ano, tag dito. Itatry niya sanang gamitin yung aspect eh. Hindi niya talaga na-expect na may calming tayo dun. Kala niya gagana na yung assassin jacket niya. Nagkamali
Kasi
eh.
pag tumama kasi yung skill nung aspect na yun, patay tayo, ubos yung HP natin.
Oo,
doon.
yung ano, yung pag
ano yun,
yung mga special skills niya na, no? Pero kaya kasi i-aggro eh.
Nagbi-bleed. Kahit mali-aggro mo yan, nagbi-bleed pa din yun.
Yun nga, I mean, kung aabot kasi siya sa phase na may gagamit na siyang skills. Pero yung initial aggro niya, hindi naman problematic. Yan, nice. Who's at the front? One more at the front, then blue. Ready, go inside na, go inside. Ready, check the gold chest na.
Uy,
Anong
ba't may
concept
bumaba?
Ala,
Akala ko itong
naligo. The small gold chest, damn. Oh, dismount.
Okay,
The
kami.
the DPS here, dismount ka na there.
No one, no
Nice.
one.
Ah, no one. Oh, mount up again. We I need 3
Drop sana
DPS
yan,
here. 3 DPS here. I need DPS, a lot of DPS here because this is the closest route. If ever someone inside.
Drop sana ng third
Yung
night.
kaya ba natin
gold
yun?
chest.
Gold? Kailangan kasi holy.
Hindi.
Kaya iniisip ko nga din kung Great Holy para pwede tayo mag-clear if ever. Kaso nga lang wala akong spec sa Great Holy. 35. Damn. Pwede na ba yun?
Basta mabuhay lang party bird.
negative, walang tao.
Wala
May
laman
ano
talaga.
dito, may dalawa.
Ping.
Bumalik sila.
Ping.
Sa
Flat
part
your red.
ito,
Okay.
clear ng gold.
Sige. Just follow.
You should go to the photo, no? Go to the photo.
Papunta silang green.
Papunta silang Bresi.
Ng Bresi.
Now, just keep following. Just check if they're gonna fight or...
Ayan, ano ko lang. Tawag dito.
Advancing
Yan ba?
green, guys. Advancing green. If they're not going to Bresi.
Hindi, pupunta ng Bresi.
Try mo i-hit.
Mga outlaw.
Hindi kaya.
Wala.
Artitas agad. Nagdimas.
Pumasok na. Don't show. Don't go near. Everyone. Stop muna. Stop at the bridge there. That's okay na.
So yun ang dami nila.
Sige, try mo i-hit.
Wala.
Kunwari,
Okay lang.
ay, parang...
Hindi. Hindi yan masyado madami. Di pa kayo nagbablob.
Oh, don't go near. We need to give them
Don't
confidence
go yet.
first.
Don't go yet.
Try to hit sa Suj. Chupapi. I'm near na. Yung healer mo, malapit na. Pwede ka mag-kite.
Wala na. Pumasok na. Natakot eh.
Lahat.
Oo.
Oh my
Ano?
gosh. People.
Hindi
These
mas-
people.
Natakot agad sa isa. Ayun.
Mukha bang grupo si Chupapi? Hindi, actually mukha siyang group. Wala siyang defensive eh. Let's go.
Dismount sila.
Let's go to the zoo. We're too intimidating, guys. My gosh. The only people that will fight us probably T8, the fudge. Full spec kaya yata kasi ano eh, si Papi. Putek, kinokomboan ako dito, Perd.
Hindi mo sure.
Puro stars, nakatakot, Chupapi. Damn. Gagi nakaka-carry weight ka pa, Chupapi. What that?
Anong carry weight?
Yung
Oo
boots
nga
mo.
no. Nakakatakot talaga yan.
Ang dami mo daw dalang loot.
Papi.
Dami mo daw dalang loot. Damn. Wait for the party. Let's go check the gold. Oh my gosh, this is tricky. We need to block all exits. What the fudge?
I go northeast.
Wrong
Wait
send lang yan,
for-
napapasage.
Ha?
Wrong send lang yan, papasage.
Okay. I will go from the northwest. Then... Oh, where's Ozred and Ready?
I go northeast.
Zoning.
No. Stay southeast. Stay south.
Ay, okay.
And southwest, that's good. Yeah, Tensei, that's okay. It's okay na. I will try to bring them out
Here.
from this side.
So,
Okay, this is
Suzu.
cleared.
You always position
Ay,
here.
gagi na open.
To the narrow.
Di ba ano to?
Sila nag-open, sila data nag-clear eh.
Killer, binili ka nila?
Pinag-
Oh my gosh.
Ito,
Next
boss
charge?
oh. Boss charges.
Baka
2
yun na
minutes
yung
ago?
kanina.
Ay, baka yun yung kanina. Oo nga. Yung nag ano, no? Yung,
Pasalubong mo.
yung tumakbo. Baka kaya alam nila kasi nakita nila tayo kanina na. Okay, let's go. I guess it's just bad timing. Let's try to check this gold chest. Then we go back. We can't go in.
Oh, there's no fucking fight. What the hell, ah?
Yeah. Enyo.
Dead.
Check ko na. Check ko na ba agad?
Keyboard.
Nandun na si Ready naman. Kaya niya i-stun if ever dun sa choke. Let's go.
Negative.
Negative. Let's go zone. Where did we come from? We came from here, right?
West.
Both
We're
is
from
both are
Galing.
no
Galing
charges.
tayo, Wes.
There's no charges. 5 minutes. Let's go here. Let's go north. 2 minutes lang.
Let's go north.
Yeah.
Galing tayo, Wes, eh.
Yeah, let's go north exit. For anyone that's gonna be first to reach the portal. Take the charge already, then just come back.
Ang dami aspect ko. What the hell? 5.3 na ka. What the fuck? Then, oh my god. Aspect. Oh my god. Another aspect. T7 aspect. Oh, T6 aspect. Oh my god.
Gathering content na lang ba tayo?
Boy, sayang.
Sheesh.
So,
Ang hirap kasi pag-gathering pag hindi ka nakamoose. Ang bagal ng mount mo Oh, someone went inside. Longbow
Okay.
with face scale.
Kite comp.
yo.
I think kite comb. But no spec.
Uy,
Di,
wait, diretso. Uy.
No. They're
Back,
still
back,
here. They're still here.
go
Oh,
back,
gagi,
go
may
back
specs. Never mind. 1.5 IPT8.
Okay, back. We back, guys.
Bro,
Yep.
check muna yung
Kahit-
party. Check party muna.
Ano na? Back off.
Check party.
Kite comp nga.
Kite comb.
yan. Kayo.
Ano? 1.5,
Ah,
yung blazing, yung Donsong 1.5 IP. T8.
Sakto tayo dito ah.
Yeah.
Bilisan nyo
Let's go. West
May
exit.
recharge si ano eh.
Pag nakulong, guys, igago, na-corner ako.
Nakulong down.
How many? I've seen 4.
Got
If
hit.
if it's about
Pinag-
fighting, I think if worst comes to worst, I want to fight.
Dalawa sa amin eh.
Sana sa paping. Nag-damage sa akin, nabawasan yung mount ko.
Sesuj, where you at?
Okay.
You need to ping, okay? Kung may nauunahan na party nyo, sabihin nyo ping. If there's someone at the front.
Western Paradise. Sino yung nasa unahan ko? Ito nga sa unahan ko.
It's a group It's a mixed group.
Pasok.
Zone. Don't let them
Go zone.
Don't let them take the charges
Just
before you.
may red dyan. Okay, diretso na ako ng Bresi, guys.
Hindi. Pining ko lang yung ano, na dumiretso.
Dahil.
Bumabalik sa'yo eh.
Gago, mga corner ata ako.
Corona
Why?
ka ba? Okay, balik tayo.
May-
Fight na lang.
Fight na lang
Eh,
tayo.
no. Still no people pa.
Wala
pang
akong
tao
nakikita
They don't chase.
Andito sa akin yung isa.
Ano ragtag sila mataas yung healer, mataas yung donsong, mababa yung longbow, mababa yung carving.
Yung healer, ayun o.
Go zone.
Zone.
Everyone. Zone.
I have free use.
Oh.
We cut them off?
Baka
Everybody intact? Okay.
Okay.
Let's go. They don't have charges, let's go. Pengen. Do you want to check the blue? Let's check the blue.
Check,
Guys,
check.
let's check the blue. They need to wait 5 minutes eh. At least.
Hindi na susunod yan.
Let's check the blue. Just stack up here. Yeah, just stack up there. Dismount. Because it's gonna be a long trip from the other side. I'm just gonna dive. Sesuj, dito ka na lang stay ka dito. Siguro, in case nandito sila dumaan.
Dive.
Yeah, I will dive. Then if there's nothing, we go back. We go outside.
No people.
No one inside. Let's go na. Let's go outside. We can go to the yellow zone. Is there anybody outlaw or no? No.
No.
No outlaw. Okay. Go Pengen.
Let's go Lemur. Lemurs. Let's go
Lemurs.
Lemurs. If we want to fight.
Yeah,
Get go
I think
Lemurs.
we can. If everybody is G, we can go Limhurst. Just fast travel your thingy-mablobs. Let's go. Yeah, it's just wrong timing. I think.
Tago na kinorner ako ng longbow kanina, muntik na akong ma-dismount.
Ano?
Panbar na lang.
Low IP yung ano eh. I mean low spec yung longbow, kaya hindi niya na-dismount. T8 yun eh, T8 low spec. Kung full spec yun, dismounted ka, pero let's go back to the we can R-back. How much is the R-back? It's like 3k if you can spare 3k.
Bakit go Lemurs?
Bres, yan puto. Anong 10 minutes? Alis ka? Okay. Sunod ka na lang, Tensei. Mauna na kami. Okay, Tensei will take a break 10 minutes. Anybody else?
I can get you anywhere.
Everybody else go to Limhurst. Limhurst City.
Let's go.
Let's go check if we can fight there. If they're T8 1-4, we will fight up to 1-4 IP. But if they're 1-5, especially if they're full party, we bounce. We will try to cut our losses. If somebody caught, we will not help. So don't get sad. But if we will get loot later, we'll just regear. Okay, so we'll cut our losses.
Walang charge sa Porndel.
I will check Birch Copse. I think this Birch Copse.
Weekend eh. Dahil
If there's no I check you wood.
checking.
There's 4 out of 7 in Birch Copse. Cooldown is 1 minute, so we can go there. Birch Copse, guys. You wood, how about you wood? What's the status in you wood pala?
1 out of 7.
Never mind. Go Birch Copse. Let's go Birch Copse. Uwi. I will spec up Great Holy. So next time I go healer, Ava Roads, we can probably clear good gold chest even though we're PvP gears.
Zulu, come here. Northeast Zulu.
Yeah. Forgot to say. Northeast exit from Limhurst City.
Bilis Ikaw pala nakaberko dito. What the fuck ako?
Oh, there's T8 15 IP Heron Spear here. Earth
Oh, that's good, that's
Rune.
good.
T713 IP. Necropolis. Golinen
Pasok
Locha. I think this is a
bot.
Kitecom party. Yeah.
Uh,
we fight?
no, we can't. We can't.
1.5
Because
B.
there's
1.5
only
IP.
4 charges. 4 charges only.
Oh, fuck.
No charges.
Let's go, Pinsdale.
Wala ba dito sa kabilang side? T3. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go Finsdale.
Wala tayong charges dyan.
Oh, malalakas din yung galing Bilocha na yan, oh, dahil mga Chinese.
Yeah.
Hindi yan malakas. Madami lang yun.
Oh, sobrang dami.
1.5 IP yung Heron Spear. Ang sakit nun.
Naka-soldier armor.
Oo ata. Hindi, naka-hell yun.
Ayun, yun.
Kasi hindi niya kailangan na stack. Babato niya lang. Tapos may Earth Rune. Feel ko ano yun eh, proper kite ko.
Wait, kite. Yeah, possible lah. Kite ko.
Yeah, possible proper party yun eh. May Earth Rune eh.
Hindi proper lagi yung...
Unless tripping sila na Herod Spear, Earth Rune lang, gano'n. Tapos healer, what the fuck. Para sa inyo.
Hindi naman lagi. May kasama lagi. Hindi yan lagi.
Hindi kasi solo yung Earth Rune eh. I doubt. Let's go.
Eh, puta, walang charge.
Now, let's go one more away.
One more zone.
Punta na tayong FS.
Ganun din. We just went back to FS with the fudge.
Nilakad.
We just scouted. Bruce, if we can't really find fight and you guys want to practice, do you want 5v5 scream?
Right now, I think...
No, later if we really can't find anything, any fight, anything. Any substance in this freaking content.
Ayun na yung nakaaway natin
Ay, yung dalawa, yung duo.
yung dalawa. Palaban natin kay Suzu. Yan na.
Trading arc.
Yung lasing ako. Pucha.
Hilo-hilo siya, pag 2v2 eh.
Gusi pa nga eh.
Wala eh. Gusto ko na matulog eh.
Wait lang, wait kasi Echo Ubu. Can't matafudge. Echo Owo. Ay, where am I going? Since 5v5 internal scream is zero cost them. Just our time.
One blue,
You can practice
7
fights
green.
there.
Ay,
It's good.
green.
I can just give you rewards like 200k each.
Nandito na ako.
Damn.
Bala ko dyan.
For internal stream. If ever we don't
Oh,
have anything.
Pero nung dati, nagpara tayo. Parang pustahan yun eh.
Hindi, hindi lang kahit hindi na lang pustahan. I mean, lahat na lang meron para ano. As in focus practice as like yeah, movement.
Ano to,
You're gonna
I'm
vote.
Vinci.
You're gonna
Ano to?
everything. Damn. Oh,
I'm
ano
Vinci.
proper positioning. I need someone
Sino
southeast
si
exit.
Sino si Bench? Sino to? Benchi?
Benji? Who?
Ako.
Who? Echo?
Gil natin.
Echo wo? Echo. There's a new
Full
guy.
Benji.
Echo Cakes them.
I'll go inside.
he's-
I'll go inside.
Okay. You can check.
Someone here.
Okay. Ready up.
Many of them.
Yeah.
Party.
Tier.
T7.
Tier IP.
T67. Heavy Mace T6. The Heavy Mace is dismounted. 3 dismounted. We can fight.
They're going outside
Ilong
northeast.
Chase
They're
them.
trying.
Chase them. Chase them
Do you
there.
see Gucci?
Someone here.
Yeah. Ano yan? Ang pangit ng gear niyan. Red.
Ko na sa
Someone
baba.
going south, someone going south. Who's the southeast? Oh, never mind. He's going north. He's going northeast exit. Someone going northeast exit from here. 400k is the price. Osred, go. They're going northeast. They're all going northeast. Dismount one. Dismount one. If you can. Oh, almost there. Okay, Osred is alone here. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Dismount
May
one.
namatay.
Kaya ako yun, ako yun.
Okay, yeah, dismounted one. Yeah, dismounted one. The fudge.
Coming,
Chase them, chase them, chase
Oh,
them.
he hit. He hit Osred. Osred in combat. This one is in combat. You go fight, Osred. You have healer. It's okay.
Yo, bro.
Hello, bro.
They're not gonna fight.
Yeah, I
They're
don't
not
think.
gonna fight.
Oh, nice
Masamay
one.
ka.
Dismount other one.
May
Dismount the other one.
Kamay civilian.
Silip eh. Meron pa isa?
They're,
Meron pa ba isa?
they're trying. Oh, dismounted.
Ayun na, dismounted,
Oh,
dismounted. Okay,
Hit him.
okay.
Hit the dismounted. Hit. Nice one. I think they're dismounting one by one. What the fuck?
Lock in the healer. Lock in the
Go.
3? Oh, come. I need someone here.
Go to
The healer
Session.
is
Go
here.
to Session.
Three?
Ah,
Ay, po.
Sige,
Shit,
sige,
shit,
sige.
Up
Chase,
there,
chase,
come.
chase. Wait, they're mounting.
Suzu Chupapi.
They're-
Sige lang, goal nyo lang yan. That's Gucci. That's because that's
Go, Suzu. You can kill him.
Judicator armor. These two can kill this.
Kill this, Osred, kill that.
Nice one, Osred.
Loot. I'm gonna go
Kill
to
him,
that.
Suzu. Nice one, Suzu. Loot.
They don't have.
Nice.
Grabbing.
Let's go.
Where's the other one?
I think already
Where's the
chased.
other one?
Suzu and Chupapi chased. It's okay. They killed the
Ay na, naloot
Judy.
yung isa.
Asan? Meron pa ba dyan?
Wala, naloot na yung isa.
Saan duman? Osred. Tumas daw yung isa. Ready everyone on in off-road.
Road.
Go with the blue, Suzu.
Kakaliwa ko.
Spread in
Kakalaw.
off-road. Sige.
Ay, gagawin dito?
Spread.
Ping.
Skill dito. Skill mobs. Dito.
Ah,
Pero
here,
no vision, no vision.
Is our back. I can hit him. Suzu dismount.
Sundan mo, ano?
He's
We're
going
going,
east.
we're
He's going south.
It's going back.
Yeah, he's going south. Inside the mobs. Dismounted. Nice one.
What the hell is this?
Nice Suzu. He's in the. I will go north.
Spread.
Checks out. Checks out.
Go
He's
north,
going
go
north.
North.
Suzu, okay. Nice one, Suzu. Nice one.
Ano pinagagawa ng mga hayop na to?
Let's go. Loot
Did you loot
and
the...
Oh no, I
Last
didn't. I didn't loot the body.
my
sa
God,
Suzu, check, loot.
Sorry.
It's
Did you
okay.
guys
it's
loot?
okay.
Didn't loot,
Yeah.
Suzu?
Oh my gosh.
Loot.
I'm in here.
Suzu, did you loot the enemy?
Oh yeah,
you
I
fought
did.
earlier?
The one I killed, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Nice one.
Let's get the small chest
Diyan
then
naloot
we
kung nandito yung Boltcaster.
we bank. Yeah, Boltcaster is good I think. 400k I checked the.
Nalot ko na din yung healer.
Let's go.
Naloot
Let's go
yung
back.
nandito.
Let's go back. So we have loot. Wait. We are out
Who's
now 2
outlaw?
minutes.
Oh, south lang.
Me.
We can zone here.
Okay, currency. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yellow.
Let's go zone southeast. Double check the body if you want.
We're
going
gonna
to-
reset and see.
To reset and check the loot. We killed party. Them. They dismount one by one. The fudge.
Ayun, dadamay ko na sana yung isa eh.
Dati
Wala rin gag-
binato mong poison.
Oh,
Lala.
binato nga. Dinabot.
Where to?
Nauntog ako eh.
Where are we going?
We're gonna
We're gonna
arbok.
Just wait for our
the outlaw.
Yeah. Then we gonna reset. Since we have loot, we gonna try to stash it. So we have
Okay.
spare fans even though even if we need to sacrifice one earlier.
I think I don't know why. Oh, I don't know why I loot the body. There's no weapon.
Yeah, it might have trashed. when you kill somebody, there's a chance the gears they have will become trash. Will get
Oh.
trashed. Yeah, not everything in their inventory can be looted. Okay, but hindi ka Sesuj. Ba't hinil kita? Hindi ako na-outlook kapag. Baka dahil
Doon
nasa
tayo
yellow zone
sa
tayo. Dimas Island.
GC name.
Yeah, GC name. Yeah, GC name. Row 1, chest 1. There's a chest sequence there. May access ka ba? Ready? Nalagyan.
Meron.
Okay, okay.
Pero sa chest wala.
Hindi siya naka-everyone?
Ay.
Hindi ka pwede malagay?
Row 1? Row 1
Chest
chest.
1.
One?
Yeah. Doon sa loob na nung house na.
Okay.
Nasa ano sila ngayon? GC name Limhurst Island. Tensei. Nice one. Not a proper fight, but nice patience and positioning, guys. Nice dismount, Ozred. Even though we're calling
Dismount
there's enemy inside, not everybody is just walking in. You guys patiently waited outside in the exit. That's nice.
Arbak na catch.
Yeah. Arbacking.
Put up with the loot.
I don't think I loot anything. Yeah, I didn't loot. How much was the loot?
Nasa kayo?
Did everybody stash? GC
Oh,
name
fuck, I don't have-
Limhurst Island. Can you see?
Ready to
Can you see?
It's Limers.
GC name island, right?
Yeah, GC name.
I'm here.
There's a same chest orientation inside the inside the house.
Just one.
Chest 1, yeah. Row 1, chest 1. Damn, ayun, mahal yun. Judicator Armory. Damn.
Wow, he brought T7.
Damn.
Wait.
They might have decent chance of fighting us. They have Badon and Heavy Mace and Heron.
But
But they didn't.
the problem,
Damn.
they
Meron.
they don't have enough the IP.
Yeah. I don't think they have calming. They were like
Ay!
panicking inside the. What potion? What potion did you put, Susu?
Oh, yeah, I put this is mine.
T6 what?
Yeah, this is my potion. Yeah,
Mana potion, okay.
Okay.
T7 potion. That's mine.
T7
Nakapantera.
rest potion?
Yeah.
And the T6 energy?
No. Just the
Resistance?
potion.
Okay. Trade you.
Ganking na ba di? Ganking?
No, we fighting. If we find T7 proper and they willing to fight, even if they're T6, we're gonna fight. Let's go. Let's find portals again. Since something happened,
welcome
let's
back.
keep going.
Tensei, mag-fight ka ng mount.
Swift claw.
Overkill na yan.
Turn. Where do we check then again? Ferndale, I guess. Let's go Ferndale. Then if nothing, we're gonna go one zone away again. Go zone southwest. Southwest exit. Southwest. Here.
And then,
Gonna go run for 30 minutes again. Right? Is there Zony? 5 out of 7, 3 minutes. 1 out of 7, 2 minutes. Let's go zone. One more zone. Southwest again. Oh my gosh. I
Saan
didn't
kayo?
put- Southwest. Ferndale. Southwest exit.
Ferndale.
Then we go southwest again.
Ferndale.
By the way, ready, pag nag-heal ka, na ganito kadami, kiniklik mo na lang i-heal mo or nag F1, F2 ka pa rin?
Pag PC,
Mm.
F1, F2.
Kahit
Pero yung
7
sa
man
akin,
na.
oo. Yung
Pero
sa
pag,
akin, ano,
mobile ba, paano yun?
Alt 1.
Ako din eh, naka-alt 1 din ako. Alt 1, alt 2.
Sa mobile, itatap yung pangalan.
Mobile, idadrag lang.
Pero ang hirap,
Inadrag ko
parang
lang,
hirap
hindi
naman
ko
i-down yun.
piniklik.
Hindi ba mahirap
Ah,
i-down?
yung
Hindi.
dahon.
Mas mabilis.
Okay.
Kasi
Hindi, siyempre
ano,
pag
kasi
magkakapatong
hindi ko
sila
na
ganun.
piniklik.
May priority.
Ha?
Pwede i-set up yung priority nun, no?
Hindi. Hindi. Inaano ko talaga. Like, inadrag lang. Kung magkapatong, edi, bahala na yung,
Bahala na sila mo,
Isa.
maghiwalay sila dapat.
oo.
Saan kayo, Catch?
Southwest. Southwest.
Ferndale Willwood.
Ferndale, then Willowwood.
For
Pero out of
mostly-
7, we can go. Go to the Roa. It will restore charges.
Mostly, okay naman. Pag,
Gagi 5 out of
Heal ko
7
na nga
for
eh.
minutes. Damn.
what?
Uwi ah.
Let's go here.
Let's go Deepwood. Northwest exit. Let's go northwest. Deepwood. Deeproot Wood.
Mas madali ko nga mag-heal sa mobile kaysa sa PC.
Oo, ano, dali na.
Hindi,
Kaya dito yung auto-target.
ano talaga, mas, para sa akin, mas madali talaga. Kasi di ba sa mobile, ilan yung daliri kong kaya tumindot. Kaya sa PC, isang cursor lang.
Tapos tamang settings. Wala.
Map check.
Deeproot. Deeproot Wood. 3 zones away na kami.
Pabalik na kami ng ng Yewood.
Ayan,
Ayan,
kompleto.
Ano yun nyo?
Take charge then.
Wala ka
Wait
din, gago.
Deeproot Wood.
Deeproot Wood.
Deeproot Wood.
From Limers, southwest, northwest.
Ferndale, Willowwood, sabay. Deeproot Wood.
Deeproot.
Deeproot,
Pwede
yung gusto
din-
niya. Yung gusto ni
Pwede din,
Leoric.
pwede din U-Wood, Hornbeam, tapos Deeproot.
Yeah, 3 zones. Take charge.
Alam ko lang, andun na ako eh.
Take charges.
Yung favorite
Then we
mo ba
wait.
ako?
Favorite to ni Leoric, Deeproot eh.
Puro green. Ay, may blue. Okay. May blue. May next zone. Okay, may next zone.
Tier
Ah,
6 map.
Let's go back. Zone back. So, people won't see us inside.
Yung triple pen.
Let's wait for the other party
Wait,
members here.
May bagong season na ba yung Tadadan? May bagong season? Wala pa.
Ngayon? Hindi pa yata next week. Gagi. Ayun din lang kayo? Then say Chiwapi?
Pa pala ako.
Sige. Alay natin ikutin yan. Maganda agro yan eh.
Ang effort niya, gago.
Sayang effort bird. Hindi ko kaya matamaan. Wait. Wait. Don't hit. 4 seconds. Oh, game. Ano? Sasuj. Hit mo. Dali, use stand dapat. Hindi,
Patanga
magbabalik.
muna, Tensei.
Game.
Dapat Tensei tatlong stack muna para ma-stand na kasama.
Game. Stand.
Stand. Kita mo yan. Bago ka mag-hapon, lagi.
Tingnan nyo, ayusin nyo na yung skills nyo. Uy!
Di pa papasok eh, mamaya na. Isa pa tara dito. Patay. Tara pa isa dito. Stack.
Pasok na kayo.
Pumasok na kami, may charges na kami.
Ay.
Zone ka na, Tensei.
Problema sa Q2 ng
Let's
spear, malakas sa mana.
Let's go, zone. Oo, malakas na mana yun. Kaya ano din siya eh, pang kite or bomb. Kasi nga may mana giver naman. Okay, try natin blue na
Blue
diretso.
chest?
Blue chest tayo, blue chest directly. Then let's go back for the green. Because there's a highly likely a party in blue rather than in green. And we want to fight party people. Party people.
Malis
I need
stick on the roads.
I need many people at the southwest because they're going to run there most likely. Southwest exit. I need like 2 DPS.
Sino malis?
Naglag si Osred.
Where's Aldred though?
Ba siya? Nangaba?
Yeah, na-out niya.
Offlane na siya?
Oo.
Okay. Kung offline na siya. Tensei, dito ka din. Ay, sige, dito ka lang dumaan. Pero southwest exit
people,
ka
no
rin.
people.
No people. Quick
Pwede
check sa
natin
green.
quick clear.
Legendary. Defender.
Hindi, epic.
Epic. Pwede. Ano tayo na? Practice tayo ng drop. Pwede naman. Check
Oh,
yung
dito?
check yung 4 chest.
For epic.
Oy,
It's
sino
worth it though.
yung nagpupunta dito? Who's that?
Me, that was me.
Okay. Go here. The blue chest
Oh.
is cleared. There's no people. Oh, there's 2 people here. T7. They're
Okay.
fighting. They're fighting here. The heal.
Catch them.
2 solos. Get them.
Advance. Everyone, go advance. On this
The
mount on
Clarent
their back.
blade is
Go
Gucci.
advance.
Clarent. I will mark with skull. There, the mark with skull. Here, I'm
Ready,
still
Suzu.
still here. Oh, he's fighting Chupapi. Go, Chupapi, fight. They're fighting. They're gonna fight. Okay, I have cooldown. They might target me.
May kasama.
Yeah, I know.
Sige lang. Oh, don't worry.
I don't
Ready.
have,
In 3,
ano,
2, 1. Drop.
Nice.
On the first stop.
Meron pa?
Pug.
Ako ba?
No
Patay
more enemy.
The one with the horse ran away.
Yeah,
There's 3 people.
dual swords. They were like fighting the dual swords. I think they're trying to gank him or something like that. But you came and we ganked them instead.
Is it?
No. Misclick.
Can the DPS change colors? So not everybody is red. It's hard to.
Everyone is red.
Yeah, okay.
Red is dead.
I'm the party leader.
Oh, I don't know why. Can you? Yan, change color. Tensei, wala na yata ng kulay, no? May si Sesuch naka-white na din eh. Pwede kayong mag...
FA, possible may tao.
Okay.
May bawas ito.
Let's zone na portal. FA, the west portal. Zone there na, zone there.
Osred. Ayun laging Osred.
Osred, where's Osred? The orange one.
Here.
Okay. Tensei, pwede ka
may
mag-green healer. Total, yung healer nyo naka-ano eh. Yung healer nyo is yung light blue Party lead kasi.
Wag ka mag-green.
Malilito kayo?
Nakakalito yung green.
Oh, sige, never mind. Wag na pala. Ganyan na lang. Okay na yan.
Pwede si Papa yung party lead. Tapos ikaw yung green.
Oo nga. Tama. Hindi, gusto ko lang oo nga. Yeah. Para may
Para
extra
ano?
slot ng ano. Papa Sesage. Make leader. Yan.
Maglagay ka ng crown sa'yo, Papa.
Oo nga, ba't nawala yung crown? Nawala din yung mark ko. The fudge, why? What happened?
Iba kasi yung party lead, like, in-accept mo yung kay Osred.
Okay, in-accept ko pala yung invite yan, hindi pala yung...
Mag-crown ka, Papa. Huwag ka mag-heart. Tapos kay Catch.
Kahit yung green lang na... Ay, black screen yung healer niya. Black screen.
Hindi ko siya mamark.
Wait lang, black screen eh.
Wala pa, di
Kailangan
pa
nasa
nag-zone
zone.
eh. Gagi, tiid yung torch ng Clarent Bird.
Sheesh. Gucci nga ng Clarent pag ano, 600k. Clarent T7. Ay, 600 lang ba yun? Basta parang ganun. Siya yung pinakamataas. Namimili pa ako ng target kanina eh. Wait, position muna ah. Need one more here. Enough na yung
Northwest.
Yeah,
enough na yung
I'm there.
enough the southwest is only one. It's okay. I need one more. Two northwest, two northeast. I need two of each sides. The south one is okay. Ready.
Wave ka.
Hindi, ito na lang. Ozred, go go the long way round here. So you can just back up. Okay? Follow up
Just
na
have
lang.
on the just have the wall.
Wala pa, matagal pa sila.
Wait lang. Ozred, go north here north from here, then northeast.
Check ko na, check ko na.
Yeah. Go. Ano na, ready.
Para
Hagol na lang. Ostred, hagol.
Hindi. Sige, okay na yan. Maka-cut off niya if ever nandun sila tadadaan.
Ah, sige. Napasok.
pom-poms, no people.
What tier is this zone? T4 lang, no?
A4.
Let's go zone. Let's go next zone. Here in the east exit. Evacuate. si Suzu kanina, pagdating tabalon, namatay yung
Dapa agad eh.
ano, 1/4 na lang yung buwan. Masakit din yung ano, Battle Bracer. Suzu just like came in and drop kick the guy.
Trying to kill still.
kill steal. Got deleted instantly. What the fudge? Oh, there's a gold chest. Okay,
Gold
wait.
chest.
Prep. I
4
need-
exit, yeah.
Yeah. I need
going
oh my
north.
gosh, I need 2 northeast, then 2 southeast, then 2 southwest. The northwest part can have only one. It's okay. I think
Okay. I'm going
Yeah.
northeast.
2 northeast, 2 northeast, 2 southeast, and 2 southwest. 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. My gosh, it's hard to cut off with 4 places.
It's black zone already.
Yeah. Let's wait for people to come near here, our party. Wait, don't go near. You can
Wait,
hug the
no
wall
one coming
later,
here?
Ozred. Wait. Three
No one
times
coming
again.
northeast, eh?
On the way. Check. You can check now.
Okay. Hug the wall. Ready. Go southeast.
Sama ako.
Kasama ka. Laro tayo first.
Kasi talunan ka bigla eh.
Sheesh. There's no one
Wow.
inside.
We can jump here.
Okay.
Evacuate.
Jump tayo, Kat.
Yeah. Jump. Next zone.
T4 zone yan.
Rest.
T4 zone susunod yan. T4 ABA map.
Okay lang.
We're gonna keep digging.
Panic ka, Chemo.
Gusto niyo ba mag-antay na lang tayo doon sa mga shallow? Para singgaking na yun eh.
Oo. Boring magginintay lang ng wala.
There's a lot of hideouts.
Subdivision? Is it a
Okay.
subdivision? Damn.
Arc
Yes,
off.
Wait for the tail, Papa.
Yeah, zone, but wait.
Zone
Arc.
and hold. Zone and
Alright.
hold.
Can't
Can we check the...
16:17
blue?
UTC oh. Good timer. Ah, hindi. Ano ba ito? 12 PM. 12 AM.
No,
Check
no,
ba
no,
natin?
no. Don't check the blue.
Yeah,
They're all
let's go
ally.
zone. Yeah, there's a lot of
They're all
people.
ally.
We're gonna get swarmed. Stampede. Gonna get stampede. Just quietly. Zone northeast.
They're all ally and active.
Don't you know? Freedom tomorrow.
I think this is still a rest.
It's okay.
No, hindi,
Let's
hindi.
go
Hindi,
from
Indian rest.
to rest.
SO.
Indian rest, oh.
Yung rest SA, no SA.
Basta Indian rest, basta Indian. May nakalimutan ko yung patandaanan doon. T6 map.
Let's go. Let's wait there's a tail. A bit about 30 seconds lang no, 15 seconds tail.
Rest
Nga.
nga eh.
Nga.
Sabi ko na nga eh.
Ngani.
Kaya pala T6. Nagtataka ako.
4 minutes.
The
Kaya we
fudge.
can wait.
Kasi dapat
Okay.
ano yan eh.
Old singularity.
Let's go again.
Kasi dapat T4 map yun eh. T4 map aba. Susunod. Kaya pala T6. Rest ulit.
We can check the green.
Oh, what the fudge? Wrong hole. Ozren, don't follow me, Ozren. Oh, 1 HO only, what the fudge?
Yeah, 1 H only. It's a level 3 hideout.
12 to
Hindi
13
may
UTC
T-
per. Cloth helmet, cloth shoes, nature stuff. Yun nga
Oh.
lang, bag, ay hindi, fire stuff. Pangit lang yata ng
Mahirap
crafting.
kalabanin niya. Mahirap old singularity.
Because
Mga
they're
galing
old.
din yan sa PvP.
Damn.
Damn.
Hindi, what if 2 guilds yung
Oo.
kakalaban? What
Kaya,
if?
ano kaya may reason yan. Kaya isa lang yung hideout. Mag-isa lang sila dito.
Hindi
Kaya
yan.
ma-defend yan.
Red. I see red.
The,
Everyone.
the party lead is the one saying that.
Dismount.
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 Dismount,
But
dismount.
don't let
Dismount.
your mount
Ayun,
away. Yeah, ayun na.
Gago.
Going
Ba't
west.
nagpapanik kayo?
Nice one.
Nice poison. Another poison.
Puta.
Gagi, hindi nagpatong. I will follow. I will follow. He's going inside. He's going southeast. Go. So, try to cut off the other people. He's gonna go back to the.
He's from here.
He's also
from
yeah,
here,
he's from
from
here.
here.
He's from here. You try to cut off the
Ang
the
may
yellow
ping
one.
Papi. Try to
Papi.
attack.
Kaya ba ito, Chapapi? Kaya ba, Chapapi?
Kaya yan.
Dismount.
Yung
Dismount,
everybody's
dismount.
ano.
Dismounted.
No,
Dismounted.
not yet. Poison.
Not yet.
Getting hit.
Nice.
But it's near. Oh, gagi. Hindi
Oh.
kaya.
Hindi, dismount na kayo.
Root.
No, he's inside now. Oh, well.
Dapat may
Okay.
sumunod sa akin eh.
Yeah, wala
Kotse.
sumunod kasi kay Chapapi. It's okay. Next na tayo. 1 minute 30. Let's go zone. When
Ayun.
that happens, don't follow everyone. Try to split. Oh, there's red.
Dismount. Oh my god.
Dismount, boys.
Dismount the yellow.
Dismount. Oh my god, guys. Listen.
Yeah. You can do that. Oh no,
Oh, no.
it's too near. Yeah.
Gago, oh my god.
Ah!
Yeah. Oh no, it's too near. He's too near. Nice try though. He was too near. Let's go. Yeah, that position
Dami.
is actually pretty good because
Daming
they
skill
they
na
have
hindi
shield
tumama.
up to
Ito
around.
Kumain sa akin. Tinatap ko na lang. Tek.
Daming skill na hindi tumama.
Okay, the one behind. Wait ka 20 seconds lang naman.
Sige lang.
Naka
Huwag kang
yun,
magdikit-dikit.
transport yun,
May isa
Ferg.
pong nag-ox. May nagtatranspo pa, Perd.
Hindi, papasok dyan. Ano?
Sayang.
Pumasok ready.
Eh, nandito na.
Yeah,
Abang
wag
kayo,
na,
mag-abang
wag
muna
na
kayo.
yan, wag na muna yan. Let's check the blue first. Abang tayo dito sa kabilang side. Hindi natin kayang pag na-dismount kasi dyan, immune sa CC, then ano, ang lapit na lang nila.
Kaya,
Yeah, go north.
Players in blue.
Blue
I see
chest,
one
okay,
player in
okay, okay.
Mini.
Blue chest, in the blue
How
chest,
many?
in the blue chest.
IP?
Yeah, blue chest.
How many and IP?
Oh, this 860k.
Then?
Here, this guy. I mark one,
Mount kayo.
Dismount,
Dismount
inside.
No.
They go south.
Roads. Matayin nyo, Roads.
Yeah. Split up.
Eh, come,
Cut off.
papa.
Try to cut
Pwede
off.
na
Dito
yun.
pa, meron pa dito. Meron dito,
Eh.
tatlo. Gagi.
Anong usap
Isa
niyan?
muna. Isa lang.
Isa
isang
lang.
target
Pagka
lang,
nag-fight
isang
sila madami, saka doon tayo mag-regroup. Pero, if like
Sige,
this,
ano kayo?
we're gonna focus ganking.
Hindi
Yeah.
natin
It's
kaya.
going
mga-
west, it's
Sige,
going
Into
west.
me.
It's going
Unahin
west.
nyo yan, unahin nyo rin.
Yeah. Going west. It's
Oh,
going
naka-
west.
Yung sa baba,
Wait, I will,
Igagawin
it's
na
going
natin.
north. It's going north.
May sauce red.
It's going north. It's going north.
Yeah.
I don't have someone
Walang
at the
sumunod.
south, ah.
Uy, walang sumunod.
Armored horse to, armored horse.
Ay na, busy yung
Yes,
dalawa. Oh. Pucha.
My bad. Oh my god. Bumalik.
They going back. Dismount there. Post that red.
Yeah. Dismount there, dismount the choke. I'm gonna try to follow. Did you hit?
Did you hit?
Dismount that on me.
Dismounted. Nice one.
Nice.
Oh, nice. He hit back. He's going north. I will heal you, Suzu. Yeah.
Rape na yan. Pucha.
Ready. On me in 3, 2, 1, drop.
Drop your ease. Nice one,
job.
Suzu. Nice one,
Wait,
Sesu.
May vision pa? May vision pa? May vision pa ba?
Party. Wala. Nandun
Wala na, nag-out na sila.
Mag-out yan.
Okay lang.
Wait
Tangina,
lang, what's the guild? Is that on singularity? Who killed the guy? Can you check your stats?
Tensei.
Tensei, can you check if what's the guild stats? This is from
What's
earlier.
the blue chest?
Yeah, let's go blue chest. Let's go directly if we can clear it or something.
Pucha
Ano
din
yung
ang
napatay ni Osred?
dito eh.
Okay lang.
MCG okay, not ano.
Mahirapan kasi.
Ano? 800k din nakita ko yung
Epic.
ano.
Epic semi-clear. Clear na natin to.
Clear na natin.
Tara.
Sige.
Free,
Ayaw
ano,
niya.
free chest.
Huwag.
Why
Dito
not?
muna. Baba.
If it's free chest, why not?
Dapat pala, dapat pala player, ikaw na una. Mas dito matama yung
Oo,
hero.
dapat si Ready muna yung pinatama
matama.
before yung ano, yung sayo. Para
Never.
sure.
3, 2, 1, drop you guys. Oh my god, dito na tumatama. Pangalawang beses na yun. Okay, on me.
Meron pa pala sa taas.
Okay, 3. Wait. 2, 1, drop it. Nice.
Let's go.
Ang problema lang talaga sa Spirit Hunter, ang haba nung cooldown. Sa good
Ay,
spirit
nag-
daw.
Yan, nakasunod, no?
What the fuck? Ba't ako nag-ano?
Meron ba?
Wait,
Nag-apply.
there's someone here. Someone inside. T8, oh, he's here.
Meron.
T3 horse. Oh, blood moon.
Blood moon, oh.
Blood moon. Here. Try to dismount this guy.
Kill.
This one. Sunai. Chupapi, go to Chupapi.
3, 2,
He's
1,
AFK.
drop.
Yeah.
He's AFK, I think.
Yeah, just
Why?
kill him.
Why is AFK on us?
Is AFK.
FK.
Oh, is tracking
He's
what
the
the
other
hell?
one. He's the other one. Where's the other one?
Ran away probably.
Run away. Here, I found them.
Yeah.
I
Where?
found
Okay,
them
okay,
here.
please.
Oh,
Here,
I'm
here.
green, I'm green.
I don't know if you can follow them. Someone went south. Here.
Okay,
Someone
advance
went
here.
I don't
Advance
know.
here, everyone.
No, here she's coming back.
Oh.
Coming back south, west.
Oh,
They're
no.
near the entrance. We're gonna check if they're gonna zone. If they don't zone, we fight. If they
and they-
zone, we go back to the clearing. Okay. Just gonna make sure they zone.
Ito pupunta.
Oh,
Uy,
there's
no,
no
go
bumaba.
south.
south. The fudge?
Everyone, ready here, ready. Oh, there's no there. Oh no,
Yeah, no people. So it's
we can't.
we're just gonna escort him out.
Just to
We
make him
clearing
sure.
the chest?
Yeah, we
Yeah,
will
we-
clear after this guy zones out. Oh, he
Up,
went
up,
south.
up,
He went
up.
no, never mind.
Oh, hell.
The juke. Shink.
The Duke. Nice crossover. What the hell?
Let's go. Let's go back to clearing.
Go back to clearing.
Yep.
The blend moon go to the chest and the FK. Ay,
Look at the chest and AFK. Damn. So ballsy.
Solo clear si Suzu. Sige.
rinig yung keyboard.
Is the what you call this?
May madre pa sa taas ah.
The
Sa
shapeshifter
north.
good? Yeah, we clear this center first, I think.
We clear the outer first. The outer.
The outer first. Okay.
North outside.
Oh, let's go outside. Let's
Go
go.
south.
The outer part.
Southwest. Southwest. Let's go.
Then north.
Southwest.
Here
Meron southwest.
somewhere. Here,
North.
here.
Sasama ko na to.
Tingin. Ready in 3, 2, 1.
Papi,
Drop.
lakas oh. Sige, siya Papi. Kaya mo yan.
Malakas yung heal ko eh.
Tingnan may Judy.
Yun, oh.
Purge.
Okay na, naka-mount.
Naka-mount up.
Yun,
Oh.
Hindi kaya ito nahihil na maayos. Pag mounted up ka.
Ay,
Hindi na
sorry.
i-heal. Ano,
Naka-mount pala
yan
ako.
na i-heal. Pag naka-mount.
Sa mount na pupunta yung heal nun eh.
Wala, napindot ko lang yan.
Ano ba yung mount?
Actually, hindi ko alam.
Hindi,
Pero alam ko
hindi
kasi,
yung mount.
ano, yung status effects napupunta sa mount, diba, bleeding, gano'n.
Look on the 3 mob. 3, 2, 1. Drop it, guys.
Bug din ako yung...
Ay, kailangan mo. Tuloy nyo na to.
Go. This the boss.
Uy, gago na poison. What the hell?
Pinag-stop ko, gago. Sige. Yan.
Ay, bad. May bad.
Oh. Let's go, bro. Pass clear. Kaya nang buti na lang. Oh.
Hindi ang
Epic.
epic. Oh,
Oh, not
Pilot
bad,
ako.
not bad, not
150,
bad. Since we're gonna split the loot, since we have kills, everything split, okay?
Just keep the
Silver bug.
silver bag.
Yeah. Nice
Silver
run.
bug
We
is
can,
yours.
you can stash again. Then
you can stash first. Stash first.
stash first. There's a yellow zone, I think. Willowwood. there.
Willowwood, oh.
There.
Di ba dyan tayo galing?
I
Oh,
don't
dyan tayo galing.
think so.
Ah, Diprot.
Hindi pro.
Dapat,
Yeah,
Oh,
not
dito
yellow.
Load na lang. Pares lang eh.
dapat dito tayo pupunta. Kanina. Bawas in charge.
That was a nice run,
Dimmers
guys.
pa din
Nice
tong
run.
Willowwood eh.
Kaya pala may nagtatranspo. Willowwood oh. Sheesh.
Oo nga. Gagi, ang layo oh. Ang layo ng tatakboy nyo. Ang haba, bird.
Ayun.
Hindi, may ano yan eh. Long march sila pupunta niyan. May long march oh. Blue zone.
Sa
Di,
inyo na Tedford.
Kakagatin na rin yan. Kakagatin na rin yan ng transpo. One zone lang naman,
Hindi,
no?
pero yung ano, yung long march, yung pupunta na lang yun ng long march kaysa ang layo ng tatakboy niya. Why, ano lang eh, busy lang naman eh. Parang transpo ka ng matagal sa busy, ay sa ano, sa safe zone kaysa lumayo ka pa. Ay, kaysa ang layo ng tatakboyin mo sa ano, lethal.
Akin, wala na. Doon ako dadaan. Ba't pa ako lalayo?
Ba't pala layo? Kung
What are
malayo
the
na.
items?
Ano
Ah,
stash
stash.
dyan?
Same stash.
Same
In the
chest?
same chest. Okay.
Yeah, same chest. I can't R back with the fudge. Outlaw, 8 seconds.
You're outlaw, bro. Oh,
Uy,
No
dito
fight.
si your mom.
no party fight,
Oo
bro.
nga, proper fight. But we have loot though. Let's go. One
You only
scream.
gank. Scream? You guys wanna scream?
Roar.
B5 ba?
One scream roar.
Roar.
Roar. Roar.
Blocking the safe passage.
Ano yung hindi ganun meme? Ano yun yung... Roar.
Lala.
GC.
Hindi nagagawin na sa ano, row 1 chest to. Puno
Ah,
na
sige,
eh.
sige, sige, sige. Goods lang, goods lang.
Wait, clear ko lang tong ano. Itong boss.
That's a yellow zone ka.
Oo. Kaya nga eh. Baka epic or legendary.
Kaching, kaching.
Row 1 chest to. Row 1 chest to dito.
Row 1 chest 1, row 1 chest 2. Pag napuno, row 1 chest 3.
Sheesh. Can't click. Oh my gosh,
Uy.
what did I put? I need this. Where's my ano? Pork omelet. I have 2. And the OC, what the fudge? 10. Nice run though, no fight, but it was still fun.